Hello everyone, welcome you all once again to another small video of Dhaga collection. I'm Rupali on behalf of Dhaga, and today I'm here with something different. Today I'm here with chikankari saris. Okay, so we are starting with a very simple, very sophisticated sari and beautiful sari, definitely. Okay, very simple and very sophisticated, that I can assure you. Okay, so the first sari, let me first tell you the booking procedure. If you are new to Dhaga, just would like to mention here the booking procedure. It's very simple. You have to take a screenshot. आपको screenshot लेना है और share करना है हमारे WhatsApp booking number, that is 789-765-3873. ठीक है, और अगर जब पूछ लेंगे कि अवेलेबल है या नहीं है, अगर कंफर्मेशन मिल जाता है कि अवेलेबल है, देन यू कैन मेक द पेमेंट एंड हम जो है डिस्पैच करते हैं अपना product within 24 to 48 hours, and Sundays are closed. Okay, so this is pretty much simple procedure that we follow, and let's begin showing you the first sari. So the first sari is this beautiful cotton kota, pure cotton kota sari, on which nice, very elegant chikankari work has been done. And if you see the sari little closer view, you can see Mukesh work is also going throughout the sari. Can you see? I don't know whether I am able to convey you the beauty of the sari. This is such a like a white beauty sari, I would say. All over the body you will get filled up with Mukesh, and it's so beautiful and very, very elegant. And this saris doesn't come with blouse piece, so the length of the sari will be 5.5 meter. So if you want, you can definitely get a kurti or bottom out of this. Some people do. I know many people like to wear this kind of fabric as a like a kurti and bottom. So definitely you can go for a quad set, or if you like, you can definitely wear it as a sari, because this is a sari. Okay, and all over the sari you will get this. I just want to show you little closer view so that you will get an idea. So this is how the work is. Okay, this is the border line, and this is how the work is going. And if you see some small Mukesh is here and there. Every flower you will get Mukesh. Every flower. I'm not sure whether I'm able to convey you or not, but it's such a beautiful and such a graceful sari. Okay, so this is the first sari, and as like I am wearing this sari with a grey ikat blouse, and it's looking nice, looking very cool. So definitely you can also pair this sari with your favorite blouse. Okay, that will also look nice. If you want to get this blouse, you can get this blouse too. So this is the sari, and beautiful all over the body. You will start from starting से, साड़ी के starting से end तक ऐसा ही work है. And this is on pure kota. Okay, this is on pure cotton kota, very, very durable fabric. Don't have to think about the fabric quality. Okay, coming to the price of the sari. So the price of the sari is going to be 3,000. Okay, 3,000 plus shipping will be extra. These are premium range sari. People sell this kind of sari in very low price. Maybe you can get it somewhere, I don't know, but I'm not sure about their quality, but I can assure about our quality, and this is premium quality, pure cotton kota. Okay, so these are premium quality sari. Moving to the next sari. So next sari is another beautiful shade of yellow. This is a very nice shade, like a lemon yellow kind of shade, and just want to show you the sari little closer view. So this is how the work is going. Entirely you will get this kind of work. Okay, पूरा साड़ी जो है, when I will take it as a single fold, then you can understand. So this sari, and if you see the back side, you can understand these threads here and there, and these all are hand done chikankari work. And this specific work is known as tepchi work, and this is how the entire sari is going. Okay, you can get this tepchi work sari in Georgette also, but these are on pure kota doria. Okay, pure cotton kota doria. So this is how the entire sari is. It's a beautiful, very elegant sari. But this sari, what is the difference between this and the one I'm draping at this moment is, the one I am draping has Mukesh work, and this one doesn't have any Mukesh work, so the price will be also low for this sari. Okay, so this is how the look of the sari will be. Just take a look. It's a beautiful sari. Color is so soothing to eye, very pleasant color, and very sophisticated sari. Okay, very simple also. It has a little bit of starch at this moment, but if you don't want starch, definitely you can skip starch. Okay, you can definitely, after wash, you don't starch, the sari will be body hugging, because these are pure kota. Okay, this is the way the sari is going. It's a beautiful sari. Just check out the quality, the work, and the fabric is just amazing. So price for this sari will be, price for this sari is going to be 2700. Okay, so this is 2700, because the work is also different and this doesn't have any Mukesh work. So that's why the price is also little different for this sari. Okay, moving to the next sari. So next sari is a beautiful powder blue color. It's a very nice, very soothing color. All the colors are very decent and very sophisticated color, I would say. So this is another sari that you might like. The design is little different than the other two. So just want to show you little closer view. So the entire sari, you will get this kind of border will be there, and then this kind of bale buta kind of work is going. Okay, and these all are pure hand done. You can see the back side. These are not machine embroidered or anything like that. These are pure chikankari tepchi work. So this is the way the sari is going. It's a beautiful sari, and just want to show you little closer view and the full look of the sari. So this is the way the sari will look after the drape. It's a beautiful color combination, and this kind of, and you know, like white thread always look very classy on chicken work. So this is that kind of work, and don't have any blouse piece, though the fabric has both sides, it has this kind of border. So if you want, you can get a nice long kurti and straight pant out of this fabric, but you need lining for that. Okay, price for this sari is again 2700 only, plus shipping will be extra. Moving to some semi georgette tepchi work sari. I am getting many requests to get this kind of sari. So this is not pure georgette, I want to mention here. These all are semi georgette, and it has a tepchi work throughout the sari. Okay, so if you start looking from here, you can see, just I want to show you in one fold so that you can understand. So this is the way the sari entire work is going, and it is a very nice lemon yellow color, little greenish yellow color, and the shade is very beautiful. And these saris comes with blouse piece, though this sari comes with blouse piece. If you want, you can definitely stitch the blouse, provided blouse, but if you don't want, you can wear something according to your taste. Okay, that is another option. So this is how the sari will look. It's a beautiful sari and very nice looking sari, and very cool also, very lightweight. These are not pure georgette, but quality is quite decent. I would not okay, this is how the entire sari is, and the price for this, and this is going to be the blouse piece. So it has your work for your sleeve also. Okay, and talking about the price for this sari, let me check. So the price for this sari is only 1600 for this semi georgette tepchi work sari. Okay, 1600, and shipping will be extra. Moving to another sari, this is a beautiful yellow color sari. This is the same as the previous one. So that's how the work is going. The entire body, you will get this work for the entire body. Okay, it's not like you are getting only on the yoke or on the pleats. It's all over the body, and I'll just show you keeping it like this so that you will have an idea. whether you want to get this sari or not, you can decide. The color of this sari is kind of egg yolk color, very sweet egg yolk color. I hope it's coming. The color might look on your device little difference, थोड़ा सा अलग दिख सकता है कलर, क्योंकि सभी डिवाइस का जो है कलर कॉन्ट्रास्ट एंड ब्राइटनेस एवरीथिंग इज़ डिफरेंट. सो जब आपको हाथ में साड़ी मिले, हो सकता है कि आपको लगे एक शेड ऊपर है या एक शेड नीचे है, और अगर हमारा और आपका अगर सेम है देन माइट पॉसिबल कि आपको सेम ही लगे. बट पॉसिबिलिटीज़ आर ऑलवेज देयर कि ऑनलाइन में जब भी साड़ी देखें, हो सकता है कि कलर थोड़ा सा आपको 19 या 20 यू माइट गेट, और कभी कभी सेम भी लाइक आपके डिवाइस पर अगर वही है सेम सेटिंग या जो भी हो जो हमारे इसमें है. तो क्योंकि वी डोंट चेंज आवर एनी फोटोग्राफ्स और एनीथिंग, ओके, एज इट इज़ रॉ आपको हम दिखा रहे हैं. सो दिस इज़ जस्ट लाइक दैट. सो ये है हमारी साड़ी. इसका भी प्राइस जो है इज़ द सेम प्राइस, ओनली 1600 प्लस शिपिंग विल बी एक्स्ट्रा. मूविंग टू अनदर वेरी 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 फाइन कॉटन चिकनकारी साड़ी. बहुत ही सिंपल साड़ी है और बहुत ही सुंदर है. जस्ट गिव मी 1 मिनट. सो ये जो साड़ी है बहुत ही जस्ट चेक आउट द साड़ी. ठीक है, इसके जो आंचल में है इट हैज़ नाइस वर्क, दिस काइंड ऑफ वर्क इज़ गोइंग इन द आंचल, और बहुत सिंपल है, कुछ भी नहीं है एक्चुअली, बट बहुत अच्छा लगता है पहनने पे. ठीक है, सो ये आपका आंचल चले गया एंड बहुत स्लीक सा एक इन्होंने एक सैल्वेज बॉर्डर काइंड ऑफ दे रखा है. एंड बॉडी में जो है हेयर एंड देयर दिस काइंड ऑफ बूटाज विल बी देयर. ये जो बूटा आप देख रहे हैं, कहाँ गया, ओके हियर यू गो. सो इस तरीके का जो है चिकनकारी बूटाज विल बी देयर फॉर द एंटायर बॉडी. एंड कलर फॉर दिस साड़ी इज़ ऑल्सो 1 शेड डार्कर देन द प्रीवियस साड़ी. ये थोड़ा सा उससे डार्क कलर है. सेम ये एक यॉक का ही कलर है. ये काइंड ऑफ येलोइश, वेरी नाइस येलो विथ अ टिंज ऑफ ऑरेंज, आई वुड से. प्यारा कलर है. एंड दिस इज़ हाउ द साड़ी इज़. एंड इसका जो ब्लाउज पीस है उसमें हल्का सा इन्होंने वर्क दे रखा है, जस्ट थोड़ा सा वर्क दे रखा है. बूटाज विल बी देयर. ओ नो, सो सॉरी, दिस साड़ी इट इज़ नॉट विथ ब्लाउज पीस. नो, दिस साड़ी डजंट कम विथ द ब्लाउज पीस. ओके, इसमें कोई ब्लाउज पीस नहीं है. बहुत ही सिंपल साड़ी है एंड प्योर कॉटन का है. सो ओ येस इट हैज़, आई एम सो सॉरी, it is here, okay. Okay, so you will get a blouse piece also, so sorry. yes. So इसमें जो है स्लीव के लिए इस तरीके का सिर्फ स्लीव में ये बूटाज आएंगे. ठीक है, इस तरीके के 2 बूटा दे रखा है. एंड द इंटायर साड़ी इज़ वेरी सिंपल एंड बहुत फाइन है. ये बहुत ही प्यारा सा एक कलर भी है एंड वेरी बजट फ्रेंडली है मैं बोलूँगी. और इसका जो प्राइस है वो मैं अभी आपको बताती हूँ. दैट इज़ वेरी बजट फ्रेंडली आई थिंक. So price for this saree is going to be only and only 1100. ठीक है, so 1100 plus shipping will be extra. So not a bad deal I would say. Next saree is a kind of greenish blue kind of color. ठीक है, फिरोज़ा काइंड ऑफ कलर आई वुड से. और ये अच्छी मतलब थोड़ा सा जो ग्रैंड साड़ी में है, प्योर कॉटन में है, बट दिस इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ ग्रैंड साड़ी इन कॉटन. सो जस्ट चेक आउट द वर्क. बहुत इंट्रिकेट वर्क है इसमें. अगर आप आंचल देखेंगे और उसके बाद इसमें पैसले मोटिव बने हुए हैं. ठीक है, इस तरीके से पूरा आंचल जा रहा है. एंड देन इफ़ यू सी दिस इज़ द वे द साड़ी विल लुक. जस्ट गिव मी, ओके. सो दिस इज़ द आंचल. वाइट कलर के थ्रेड से है पूरा आंचल. बहुत प्यारा है बना हुआ. ठीक है, दिस इज़ द वे द इंटायर आंचल इज़. एंड देन ये इसका पूरा बॉडी है. एंड द बॉर्डर जो जा रहा है दैट इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. एंड इफ़ यू सी द बैक साइड आपको दिखेगा कि सो मच ऑफ वर्क हैज़ बीन डन फॉर दिस वर्क. एक्चुअली ऊपर से इतना ज़्यादा समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, बट अंदर से जब आप देखेंगे इतने सारे थ्रेड आपको दिखेंगे. ठीक है, सो बहुत हार्ड वर्क होता है इन साड़ियों को बनाने में. आइदर आप वो कांथा बोलिए, चाहे आप वो लखनऊ चिकन बोलिए, सारे हैंड एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड है. एंड बहुत ज़्यादा इसमें हार्ड वर्क लगता है, टाइम कंज्यूमिंग है, नीड लॉट ऑफ पेशेंस ऑल्सो. सो ठीक है, ये है पूरे साड़ी का लुक। बहुत सिंपल है ये साड़ी बट बहुत सुंदर है, ठीक है। और इसका जो है प्राइस जो जा रहा है, सो प्राइस फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर साड़ी इज़ गोइंग टू बी ओनली 2100, ठीक है। सो इफ़ यू लाइक डू टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट एंड सेंड इट टू आवर व्हाट्सएप बुकिंग नंबर। बहुत सुंदर साड़ी है, प्राइस बहुत रीज़नेबल है। इफ़ यू लाइक डेफिनेटली यू कैन बुक योर साड़ी, ठीक है। सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे। छोटा वीडियो है, बहुत ज़्यादा हमारे पास इस समय चिकन के बहुत ज़्यादा वी हैव जस्ट स्टार्टेड टू कीपिंग दिस काइंड ऑफ साड़ीज़, सो विल सी हाउ योर response is, then definitely we'll bring up more sarees in chicken curry. And that's all for today. Take care you all. Thank you so much for watching our video. Thank you so much for your time and loving Dhaga so much. Bye for now. Take care you all.